Alright, what's going on, guys? T-Tour is back here for another video. Alright, so in the last video you guys saw that Sean won the rock guards, got them sent off to him today. So big congrats to him. And I did tell you in the last video we do have 2 more giveaways going that are going to be coming to the channel, and one of them is going to be announced in today's video. So make sure you guys follow along and figure out how to enter this giveaway. So like I mentioned before, and I've hinted on Instagram, if you do not follow me on Instagram, these side markers are going away. I don't know. I guess it's just because the US spec, that's the way they had them, but I cannot stand the way these side markers look against this beautiful paint. So I got a pair of side markers. They are in, and I am super excited to show you which ones I went with. But before we get into all that, I do want to let you guys know that I am now tuned K-Tuners off-the-shelf map. They're stage 1.1. I'm going to be doing a full review. I flashed the car, drove the car, I don't know, 50 to 100 miles today, or over the course of a couple days. And yeah, everything's a lot better. Anywhere from the low RPM range, mid to high. The boost, yeah, you can definitely tell a difference. And I believe it's 50 over stock horsepower and like 60, 65 torque over stock. So it makes the driving experience that much better. But we're going to get into that into another video. So let's go ahead and get straight into the install. And some of you on my Instagram, you already guessed which side markers I got. But of course I wasn't going to tell you because that'd ruin today's video. So let's hop straight into the unboxing of the side markers I got. All right, so as you can see right here, here's the side markers I got. Comment down below if you know which ones they are. Ready? Boom! Of course, I went with Suma Performance. Awesome company. Spoke with them, and yeah, I'm super excited. And of course, the color I went with was no different than what a lot of people already have on their FK8. You guys ready? Boom! Check that out. I went with the smoked lights. That is just going to look fantastic compared to what the factory ones. Oh yeah, they should have came tinted or clear or something from the factory. But so now that I have shown you what side markers we have gotten, I have teamed up and partnered with them. I'm going to offer you all a giveaway for a free set of these DRL side markers for the 10th gen, whether it's the FK8 or whatever 10th gen Civic you have. So with that being said, you're gonna have the option to get you can get just the tinted ones that I have, plus turn signal, or excuse me, I just have the daytime running light ones. I don't have the DRLs plus turn signal, just because I just didn't want to mess with any of the wiring. I just wanted to plug and play. So with that being said, if you are interested in winning a free set of Suma Performance side markers, whether it's the DRL plus turn signal or just the DRL, they both can come in the clear option or the smoked option. Of course, you already know what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to go make sure you're subscribed to the channel, leave this video a like, comment down below Suma Performance, and then make sure you are following their Instagram page. I will be checking all of those once I pick the winner in the next video. All right, so one more time before we get into the install. If you want to win a free set, make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up. You're subscribed to the channel. Comment down below Suma Performance, and make sure you follow Suma Performance on Instagram. So let's get straight into today's install. Also, one more thing. Sorry, before we get into the install, I got one more package from them that they were so kind enough to send out. I got the Suma Performance. It is their ceramic spray sealant that I'm going to be doing a review on. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. This is also for purchase on their website. I'm super excited to see how this product works out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's install. All right, with this being the plug and play install and not having to splice into the turn signal, I'm gonna guess this is gonna take maybe 5 minutes per side. I've done this before already on my Civic Si, so it should not be too hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna show you all an easy way inside your FK8. Down, let's see, you can't see it. All right, so down there's a clip right here. See if I can't really zoom in on it, but there's a clip right there. What you're going to do is you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and see if I can there's a clip right there. As you can see, I can't point to it. Yeah, like right there. There's a clip right there. You're going to take a long flathead screwdriver and push that clip in, and then you'll be able to pull the side marker out. I'll show you on the ground. All right, so I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver, and then I'm going to gently pry down on this clip. You'll see it give, boom. I don't know if I got that on camera, but it literally, the side marker just came right out. You have one more clip that you need to push outwards, and then the whole entire side marker should come right out. As you can see, the side marker is now out. This is going to be a twist plug. You're going to go ahead and twist it clockwise, I believe it is, in order to pull the factory side marker out. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reach my hand down here into the fender well. I'm going to take this plug and I'm going to twist it out just like so. You're going to twist the plug back towards the driver's side door, and just like that, you have the nasty factory orangish yellow side marker is now out. Alrighty, the next thing you want to do is you want to take the factory bulb out. Be careful to not break it. Slightly, gently pull it out, and just like that, you have the factory, come on, focus. You have the factory bulb is now out, okay? And then as you can see on the new Suma Performance Side Marker, this is gonna plug directly into where the factory bulb once sat. Okay, let's go ahead and push this in. There's just not enough room right here. All right, because this was being such a pain, I went ahead and unplugged where the factory plug was, and I'm just gonna take this and show you guys. You're gonna take this and then turn it just like that. Okay, see how that's turned? And then you're gonna take your hand down here and get it back to the factory plug, and then go ahead and plug it back in. Okay, let's go ahead and push this in. There's just not enough room right here. All right, so I now have it pushed back in. And then what you want to do is reach your hand back in, push it in to the side marker, and twist it back. All right, so as you can see, it is now sitting nice and snug, nice and flush. So what I had to do was, there are two screws. There's one right here, and there's one right here that allows you to move this little dust cover back for the fender liner, and allows you to securely set that in place. So as you can see now, obviously you can't see. All you have to do now is just go back behind in here and plug the new side marker into the factory wiring. We'll do that now. All right, so just like you took out the previous one, you're gonna go in here and make sure you plug the new factory one in. You'll hear it click. Okay. All right, so everything is now plugged in. Let's go ahead and make sure the daytime running light now comes on. All right, so as you can see, the daytime running light is now on, and man, that looks so much better. Let's go ahead and peel the plastic film off. I guess I should have done that prior to this. That is what the new Suma Performance Side Marker looks like. That looks so much better than the nasty factory yellow one. Before, after. That looks so much better. So let's go ahead and get to the passenger side, and let's get this one knocked out. I'm so happy with the way that looks. Go ahead and shut the door. There is that beautiful tinted smoke look that I was looking for. Thank you, Suma Performance, so much for sending these out. Let's go ahead and get on to doing the passenger side. All right, guys. The driver's side was the breeze side because there's nothing over there in that fender vent. So this, we have the reservoir for windshield wiper fluid. So you're not going to be able to just stick your hand down in there. So what we're going to do is, like the same thing we did before, we're going to move this screw, get that fender liner back, and be able to push that clip and pull the side marker out. Unfortunately, I wish it was as easy as the driver's side, but I guess I did the easiest side first. So let's go ahead and get started and let's get this passenger side done. All right, screw number 1 coming out. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the driver's side and how it looks. I think it looks freaking fantastic. Okay, that screw out, and it's going to allow you to pull this liner out and get back in there to get that clip out. All right, so I know there's not that much light back here, but literally the clip is right here. Okay, I'm going to get my flathead screwdriver and put it in there and pop this side marker out. All right, let's get this side marker out. It is hot. It is very hot. Okay, just gently push that in. And as you can see, the side marker came right out, and then you're gonna pull it back towards you. And then once again, you're gonna have to fight to get that plug turned counterclockwise or clockwise, I can't remember, and pull the factory side marker out. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reach my hand back here behind this cover. I'm gonna push the side marker connector in, which is going to allow us to take the side marker out, and then just like before, you're going to put the new one that they have, and just like the other side, these are going to plug and play directly into the other one. Okay, factory bulb, gently remove it. Okay, take this, and you're going to plug it in just like you did on the other side. Okay, and go ahead and put your plug in, and then whichever way your plug is facing the connection piece, that's the side you're going to want to have going towards the connector, because trust me, it's going to make your life so much easier to get that plug in there. And make sure I go ahead and peel this one off on the ground. Voila! Passenger side is definitely a lot more challenging. So what I ended up having to do in order to get this one to work, I took the third screw out. As you can see here on the ground, I have 3 screws out. I was able to get this fender liner back further, and your biggest takeaway point is you want to make sure that the back of the bulb, or excuse me, that the back of the side marker plug is turned at your about 1 or 2 o'clock position, and you will be able to slide your hand in there one-handedly. I couldn't see. Make sure you have your connecting piece just right, and you'll hear it click. And as you can see, there you have it. See, now it lights up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and button everything back up, and then I'll catch you guys back on the tripod. All right, so guys, do me a favor and comment down below which color is your favorite. Do you like the smoked or do you like the clear? I definitely love the way the smoke looks against, all the black and the red, and of course, my car being a darker / lighter gray. Oh my God, that just looks so sexy. Thanks again to Suma Performance for sending these out. I'm gonna get you guys some nighttime shots of what it looks like, and then some daytime shots of what it looks like in the sun also. So stay tuned. I'm going to now cut the garage lights off, and we'll make it like as if it's dark and outside. All right, let's see what it looks like. Woo! Them bad boys are bright. Yep, definitely going to change the appearance of the car at nighttime. Definitely love the way they look, and I love the lines. Oh, check out the lines if the camera can pick it up. I love those LED white lines. They look so freaking good. All right, one of the things that I just want to recap. Make sure that you take out this screw here, and this screw here for those 3. That's going to allow you to peel back this the guard right there, and it's going to be very tight, but you're going to be able to get your flathead screwdriver in there and push that clip on the back of the side marker, and it's going to fall right out. Other than that, you need to make sure you have the orientation of the new side marker once it's plugged into the back pointed at your 1 o'clock or like 2 o'clock. Then you'll be able to go in there, and I did it without seeing, and you'll feel the clip and just push them 2 together, and you'll make it happen. It's the only thing I want to make sure you're aware of on the passenger side. Passenger side definitely took more than 5 minutes. Driver side, 5 minutes. This side, 10 minutes, 12 minutes tops. All right, so as you guys just saw, that is the Suma Performance tinted daytime running lights only side markers, and they look absolutely fantastic. So with that being said, if you were to win the giveaway, which are you gonna pick? You're gonna pick the clear daytime running lights plus turn signals, or just daytime running lights? Or are you gonna pick the smoked daytime running lights or the daytime running lights with the turn signal? Comment down below if you win what you would like to get. And I'm going to, next clip, we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys in the sunlight what the side markers look like. All right, guys. I hope everyone had a happy and great, safe 4th of July. We had a good time here at my house. We had a cookout, had some friends and family over. So here's what the side markers look like out here in the natural sunlight. Oh, I think it looks so much better. God, I'm so glad that I was able to get these. So big thank you to Suma Performance, and you know what you need to do in order to enter the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a set of their Suma Performance side markers, whether you get the tinted, smoked, clear, daytime running light plus turn signal, doesn't matter. Make sure you leave this video a like, comment down below Suma Performance, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you are following Suma Performance on their Instagram page. I will have a link to their Instagram page down in the description. If you are picked and you do not follow them on Instagram, I will pick another person until they meet all the criteria. So good luck to everybody, and we'll be choosing one winner in next week's video. Thanks for watching. Peace.